Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another intense Beyblade Burst battle by your boy, the Video Man. So we have Joshua Burns' Blast Jinnius against Laban's Vise Leopard. So we have the defense. So we have the defense type Jinnius Cyclone Wall against the Howling Bite of the Leopard. Attack versus defense. I'll be using this launcher for Jinnius and the sword launcher from Leopard. So it's up to 5 points. Once again. Up to 5 points, and let's get this battle started. Okay, round 1. Cyclone Wall. Howling Bite. Leopard was spinning for a lot longer than I was expecting, but it still lost the battle. So Jinnius now has 1 point. Score is 1-0. You can hear the noise from Leopard. It's very aggressive. If it comes down to stamina though, then Jinnius definitely got this. Leopard's left frame makes it scrape really bad. And it did. Last Jinnius gains another point. So it's now 2-1. Alright. Round 3. Howling Bite. Leopard is getting pretty good shots in against Jinnius, but it's like just gets him to burst it. Oh wait, it may take it with stamina this time. And it does. Wow. Ice Leopard takes that match. And Jinnius was halfway to bursting. Alright then. This means the score is now 2-1. And I didn't get a good angle with it. Now Leopard's just circling around, wasting its stamina. And Jinnius takes another match with a survivor finish. That Cyclone Wall is really helping it out. Jinnius scores now 3-1. Leopard's just... Alright, Leopard's getting little hits in. But are they good enough to burst Jinnius? And they're not. Starting to get really one-sided. Jinnius is now leading with 4 points. And this time, I'll use Leopard's Slingshot mode, since I didn't use that against its battle with Excalius. Next battle. Jinnius. Wow, Slingshot mode didn't help it at all. Your winner is Blast Jinnius. Slingshot mode did do nothing to help it. It still lost. That's crazy. Yet somehow it beat Excalius, even though Excalius can beat Jinnius. So, not sure which one is stronger right now, but all we know is that Blast Jinnius did beat it in this battle. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see y'all next time for more epic Beyblade battles.